Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Andrew Roberts here with Tree Homes, and as you know, we're a real estate company, and real estate is what we do. Today we're at our most recent project here in Round Rock, and this is an interesting one to say the least. This is a live-in flip, and it's by my favorite family, the Teifkes. We're about to head inside, and Lexi's gonna show us everything that she did to make this house look beautiful. Welcome to the house, everybody. We're here with Lexi Teifke, who's going to give us a full walkthrough of what she did as far as renovations on this house.
Welcome to our home. So first, check out the guest bathroom and guest room. We did a full renovation in here, did a lot of plumbing rework, did a new vanity, new tile. In our guest room, we have new light fixtures, new flooring, all new paint, scraped to those ceilings.
Yeah. And then in the front of this house, this leads through the dining room, which, by the way, I love the open lighting, the natural light, and then comes into my favorite part of the house, which is y'all's kitchen.
Yes.
Love the backsplash tile, love the shelving. So tell us what you guys did to change it from what it was before.
Thanks. Yeah, I just really wanted to create a really open, natural light feel. So we took out the fluorescent, did can lighting, took out some of the shelving to make it feel more open.
Sure.
Left the cabinets and just painted them and did new hardware, new countertop, new sink, new appliances.
Right.
But yeah, just made it really open and light.
And then you guys, since you raised the ceiling, you were able to make more space with the cabinets, which is awesome.
There was only about a foot under here, so when we raised it, it gave you a lot more room to put appliances and more cutting room, so that made a huge difference too.
Yeah, and I love the white, open, natural light look to this. It's really awesome. You guys did a good job. So now, let's head into the living room.
Do it.
So what did you guys do in the living room?
So I don't know if you remember or not, but there were doors here that went out to the patio, and we enclosed it and made it a wall.
Cool.
Yep. Here we replaced the tile on the fireplace. We fired the mantle, gave it a smoky look to stain it a little bit.
I love it. And it matches the beam.
Yeah, it matches the beam. We left the beam, didn't paint that. I love the natural beam look.
Sure.
Took all the popcorn off the ceilings, did some can lighting, a nice big ceiling fan, make it feel just a lot more light in here.
Definitely.
Painted, there were wood panels. We left the wood panels and just painted it white. Left the flooring, so not a huge deal that we did in here.
Right, yeah, but it looks great. And I, like you said, I love the natural lighting, how bright it is in here now.
Thanks, yeah.
But you guys did the majority of the work in the master bedroom and bathroom, right?
Yes, that was our biggest project, so let's go check that out.
Cool. Man, I really love what you guys did in the master bedroom.
I love this too, it's one of my favorite parts. So we scraped the ceilings, they had popcorn.
Right.
Got a new light fixture, retextured and painted all the walls, all new flooring.
Yeah.
And this, what used to be going to the patio, we did mirrors on the doors and made it a closet.
Wow, so you guys enclosed that?
We enclosed it, we raised the floor because it used to drop down about 4 inches and did a cool light to where you can make it darker or dimmer.
I cannot believe what you guys did in the master bathroom.
Yes, me too. So the closets used to be in here. We removed them, put them over there so we have more room in here. Now what used to be one of the closets is now our shower.
Yeah.
This used to be a tub and shower combo.
Double vanity.
And so we moved the vanity, which was over here, over here.
And then you guys did this shiplap look.
Yep, we did the shiplap. We added a little closet here, potty room here where the closet used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Made it a lot more open, gave you a lot more space.
Yeah, complete 180. I love it.
Yeah,
next is going to be your office and then George's room, right?
Yeah, let's go check that out.
Awesome.
All right, so this is that old patio we've been telling you about.
Cool.
Yeah, we raised the floors in here, painted everything, so we left the same siding. You can tell that it used to be a patio.
Right.
But we just made this an office. So we pulled the AC to make it cooler in here. But yeah, this added a lot of square footage and a really necessary space for us.
And then you did the same flooring you did throughout the rest of the house.
Yep,
And then
kept it consistent.
This leads into George's room.
To George's room. So this used to be a little utility closet coming from the laundry room.
Okay.
And it stopped about right here, and then this was a workshop, an extension of the garage.
Sure.
So we just knocked the wall down and combined the two of them. The slab was already here, so to us it was a no-brainer.
Right.
Made the house from a 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom.
That's awesome. So I love what you guys did with this closet.
Yes, me too. This is one of my favorite parts. I really like the open closet concept,
Right.
especially with a baby, having room for the changing table. And eventually, when we want to, we can put doors up when we're ready to sell.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. And then adding the extra bedroom, I mean, that is just incredible to add, one more bedroom.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms are a little bit harder to sell, so adding a 3rd bedroom was a no-brainer for us.
For sure, yeah. And I want to get into the details of that. Let's go check out the backyard. yard and talk about why you guys are using this as an investment.
Cool, let's do it.
So I love the exterior paint you guys chose, and I saw you guys put solar panels on the roof.
Yes, the solar panels was a really fun addition. We've never done anything like that before.
Right.
But basically you're exchanging your electricity bill for the payment of the solar panels. So to us, it was a total no-brainer.
Yeah.
And it's the only improvement you can do to the house without increasing your taxes.
Wow.
Yeah, so super cool. People will pay more for your house, but the appraisal value doesn't go up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Speaking of taxes and appraisal value and money,
Yep.
tell me about why you guys found this house and what your plan is with it.
Yeah, so it was an under market deal. It was a wholesale.
Okay.
And we got it for $160. Put about $45 into it. We did a hard money renovation loan, so we didn't have to come up with all the cash to do all the renovations up front.
Got it.
And now we're gonna live here for a couple of years to save on the capital gains.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for showing us the house. I mean, it's lovely. It's awesome that you
Thanks.
guys are able to add some value, see this as an investment, but also enjoy it for a couple years.
Yep, thanks a lot. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. So that's going to wrap up the tour of our latest project here at Tree Homes. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Until next time, see you guys later.